Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Govardhan here to guide you on how to open a Demat account on the nutshell. Without wasting moment, let's get into the video. Open the App Store, search for Tradejini application, click install. Once the app is installed, open the app. You can see the interface of the application. There is an option below, let's sign up. Click for sign up. It shows that keep the following documents handy: PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank details, nominee details, and finally, financial details. Press open your free Demat account. It asks for your mobile number. Kindly enter the mobile number and press continue. You will receive OTP to your registered mobile number. Please enter that. Followed by your mail address. Please enter that too. You will receive OTP to your registered mail address as well. Please enter that. And press continue. Now it opens a page where the app asks you to enter Aadhaar number and fill the CAPTCHA. Once after filling the Aadhaar number and filling the CAPTCHA, press enter again. Now the mobile number attached with the Aadhaar will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and press continue. Now here it takes you to the DigiLocker page. Now here the DigiLocker requests for 6-digit PIN. Enter the PIN and click login. Provide the following documents from DigiLocker to proceed with further verification. And press continue. Once the process is verified by the app, it asks you to upload your PAN card. You can upload it directly from your mobile or else you can capture it at the moment. The PAN upload is successful. Now verify the PAN details and press continue. Here you are requested to choose the segments for your trading. You can either select all segments as well, or else select the multiple segments which you want to trade. Here this process is for bank statements verification. There are two options. One is easy upload and the other one is manual upload. You can do it either way. If you have bank statements handy, you can do it manually. To make the process more instant, I'm choosing the easy upload. By giving my mobile number, I'm proceeding with the easy upload, which is highly recommended by the Tradejini application. Now the app asks for financial data to share. Enter the OTP and click login. Here now it is showing the bank account linked to your mobile number. To select the account and press done, you will be approved for data sharing over here. Now it takes you to the UPI verification. You can choose your convenient UPI platform. It takes you to the UPI app. And it verifies by depositing ₹1 to your Demat account from your linked bank account. Once the UPI verification is done, on the interface where it asks for trading and investment experience and marital status, choose it accordingly. So now the step 2 is followed by occupation and where the user is politically exposed person or not. Followed by the third step. You can choose your own annual income here. And the fourth step will be pick your trading style and asset class which you are interested in. On the fifth step, the app asks for your father's name or the spouse name. Enter and continue. There's also an option called where you can add nominees by filling the spaces and providing the required documents. Once after filling all the documents, you can click confirm. Now the app requests for self-verification where the user have to upload a selfie as well as the e-signature. So go ahead, take a picture, place it in the center of the screen, click capture and continue. Followed by clicking draw signature Draw a signature on the screen. There's a tick option on the right corner. Click that. Now the selfie as well as the e-signature is uploaded. Click continue. Now the app has to take you to the final stage where Aadhaar e-signing is mandatory. So e-sign is done here by clicking the tick box saying, I hereby authorize Protean E-Government Technologies Limited. Click that box and kindly enter the OTP. Click on verify OTP. So here your application is created. And it means that the credentials for login will be sent to your mail and you can start your trading journey with Tradejini within 24 hours. And guys, if you like this video, please do like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends who wants to open Demat account in a very simple way. And also stay tuned for more updates. There is also a description given down below. You can click on the link and open your own Demat account. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.